Hi, Jay from Downey Nelson Company. Wanted to show you a project we're working on today. This carpet, where you're seeing the clean, you've already cleaned that, but this carpet from this point over was already cleaned by a customer using their little home unit, and they didn't get the results they wanted, so they gave us a call. As you can see, the difference is pretty dramatic. So once again, left side is clean, right side is what the customer has already tried to clean. Let's just show you how our tool here cleans up this area. Give me a second. As you can see, it's really coming out nice. We're re-cleaning what the customer's tried to clean himself already. Our truck is just, extremely hot temperatures. The correct cleaner for this carpet. We're really getting good results. This is a rental unit, so they wanted to get it clean and not replace it just to save some money. And should come out nice. We've already cleaned this room. You can see it's nice and bright. Looks good. Anyway, just wanted to show you the results of using a home unit compared to a system operated by a professional. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.